Academic. Today we are doing corn. How we can do corn? Today we are doing corn peeling. I will teach you how to remove corn and dates. Start the video. We have to move this part. New. Did all right. Now we are done. Now we're gonna get it out. But we have to pick. We have to pick in the middle. It's very hard work and I almost got it. Oh. Now this is two parts. We have to move this corn. It's an easy way because we have to do one by one. Two. And I like this counting. I love counting, so I'm going to get 4. That's not 4. I have to get one more. Yeah. 4. 5. This is the easy way. It's very fast. Today is gone. We're gonna just cook it, and then afterwards we will see how it looks like. Okay? And it's also tasty. It's ready. Look. We have to do ready. 0. Ready. After the video ends, I will pick it up. It will take a time, so I will pause the video. That was so hard. I can never get it out. Ooh, be careful. We are doing the physical way. Decotium.
2,000 years later.
I'm done. This is not the part I end the video. I have to get the more. The 2 corners I removed, and then there will be 4 corn, 5 count. And that's the corn we have in the bottom. You can see. Next time you try it, it's a very easy way. Now let's cook it. Thank you to watching. Bye. I forget. Bye. Let's try one. Bye bye.